Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is scare off. स्टूडेंट्स आपकी फाइनली आपकी 3 डिक्टेशन हो चुकी है, आज 4th की बारी है। ये आपकी जो डिक्टेशन है हम आपको लगातार कंटिन्यूसली कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि अच्छे से अच्छा कंटेंट प्रोवाइड करें। हम यहाँ पे मेहनत भी करते हैं और जो कुछ बच्चे बोलें कि सर हमारी ड्राइव मतलब डाउनलोड नहीं हो रही पीडीएफ, तो पीडीएफ को योगी नाम का लड़का है जो पीडीएफ डाउनलोड नहीं हो रही, तो आप अपने मोबाइल्स फ़ोन में ड्राइव डाउनलोड करें, गूगल ड्राइव जिसको बोलते हैं, उसके बाद आपके पीडीएफ डाउनलोड हो जाएगी। अभी हाँ मैंने भी ओपन करके देखा है, ये हो रही है आपकी और भी सभी स्टूडेंट ने ओपन करके देखा है, हो रही है। इसलिए आप अपनी गूगल ड्राइव को डाउनलोड करें। इसी के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं अपनी डिक्टेशन हम। ये आपका चेस पे है, ये जो डिक्टेशन आपका चेस पे, जो आपका चेस आपको पता ही है विश्वनाथ आनंद जी हैं, मास्टरमाइंड है, जो वहाँ पे चेन्नई के नेहरू प्लेस में जो ओकेजन सेरेमनी ओकेजन था, जो उसमें क्या क्या विनिंग हुई, किसका लॉस हुआ, उसी के बारे में सब ये आपका आर्टिकल है। इसको हम डिक्टेट करेंगे @100 वर्ड पर मिनट। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। A nation brimming with chess talent is now ready to parade it on a platform that does not get any bigger. The 44th Chess Olympiad, with participants from 187 nations, opens with a gala ceremony at Chennai's Nehru Stadium on Thursday, and the 11th round on board action commences the following day at Mamalpuram, with the usual medal winning nations Russia and China not in the mix. Some first timers could occupy the podium. The greatest of current players, Magnus Carlsen, is looking to lead Norway to its first medal. There will be other illustrious performers in both sections of the biennial competition, but the discerning would focus on how India performs at home. Being the host, India could field 2 teams in each section. As there were an odd number of entries, India added a 3rd team to make it even. As a result, 30 players including 15 men will represent India in the Premier World Team Championship. Though Vishwanath Anand is the mentor for these teams, the Indian men are strong enough to be seeded second in the open section. The Indian women looking for their first medal are seeded first. Talented teens D. Gukas, Arun Igrasi, Nihal Sarin and Pragadadhan earned their stripes to be on the biggest stage. It remains to be seen whether they play according to their growing reputation. Next para. On the organizational front, the Olympiad promises to be a success. Once Russia was out of the Olympiad both as a host and a participant, the magnitude of what the Tamil Nadu government and the All India Chess Federation have accomplished in setting up this mega event in just 4 months of getting the hosting rights in is hard to compare. On getting Chief Minister M.K. Stalin's approval, the bureaucracy turned a vision into reality by taking care of every logical aspect. The World Chess Federation is already fine-tuning the arrangements, including the 2 playing halls that will accommodate about 1,400 players, with live broadcast of games from about 700 boards in each round. The Indian technicians are set to raise the bar to a new high. Elsewhere, no effort is being spared to showcase the rich culture and heritage of the country, with the focus being on the home state. A team of over 500 volunteers have been trained to handle various needs of the visiting contingents. Stop. Security personnel and health workers are in place to meet any contingency, but for those from the AICF who have worked round the clock for 4 months after shifting base to Mamalpuram, all the effort would be worth it only in the Indian teams come up with medal winning performance. Full stop.